Hi guys, so same day, new video. Let's install the Y-axis lead screw. Okay, so I've put some whey lube in the nut. It was still dry since I repacked it, and I'm trying to balance the whole assembly on the edge that is going to be in contact with the saddle. And this is pretty much it, I think. It's close enough anyway, but so of course if I can adjust it this way. So this is close enough, I think. So when I screw this to the saddle, the nut won't be, you know, pulling down this way or on the other way. It'll be perfectly balanced. So I guess the best way to go right now would be to put some tape, just so that we can come back to this position at any time. There you go. Okay, so let's go to the machine. Okay, so it's there's still plenty of play here. Now I'm going to try to push the saddle. Okay, so nothing is tight on either side. As you can see, everything can move still. So now I'm going to bring the saddle back to where the ball nut is. Well, the whole ball screw assembly is. Just want to make sure everything moves still. This might be a bit tight. Okay, that's fine. It's a bit uncomfortable. My hands are all oiled up, so it's slippery. Okay, so at this point as you can see, everything can still move. So my thought is the ball nut will align this once it's tightened here, since there will be no it won't be pried in either high, low, or even on its sides. So I don't know, this I came up with this way of aligning it. Might not be good if you think I should do it in a different way. Please let me know. But I think it should be pretty good. Okay, it's all good. So now, as you can see, this can move freely. I'm going to push it onto the column with by unscrewing, by turning the screw. So now I'm putting some pressure. The saddle wants to move this way, and this is pushed onto the column. So that's what's holding it there. And I'm just going to tie it up slowly so that it doesn't move. So just maybe a little bit here, a little bit here, and so on. So just barely snug it, and then a little tighter. A little tighter. Okay, that should be good. Okay, that's pretty good. I was hoping to get something a bit more precise. Well, we're always coming back to 0. Well, I was hoping for something I think it's quite good. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to watch the video to see if there is any deflection. We're looking at the deflection this way, and then I would have to check the deflection up and down as well. I was hoping to have something a little more stable with the ball bearing in the middle of the ball screw, but it's not quite as good as I was hoping. So I adjusted it a bit closer on the zero. So we can see that it tends to, the dial tends to go this way when it gets closer to, when the nut gets closer to the column attachment. So maybe I would have to adjust a little bit. Not quite sure how. I guess I'll loosen the nuts on the column attachment and try to bring the indicator a little closer to zero. Something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to touch with the dial indicator on the top of the ball bearing so that we see the deflection up and down. I'm quite happy with sideways. All right. Okay, that's pretty good. So let's see if we're well aligned. So ideally the dial would be on zero now. I'm gonna try something. See if I can fine adjust. See if it changed anything. So I loosened the nut a little bit. Looks like I went a bit too far, unfortunately. Okay. Okay, I'll call this good enough for now. I'm quite happy, actually. It's pretty good. About maybe a thou or something like that. It's hard to tell because we have quite a lot of movement, but it's not creeping much. So we're gonna call this good enough for now, I think. And once I have a jug, then I'll further adjust because right now it's a bit it's you know, it's not fun. So anyway, that's I think the method is good. The way to have the whole assembly balanced on the ball nut, then you tighten the ball nut, then you tighten the motor side. I think already we should be pretty much in the ballpark. So and it seemed to work. Then little adjustments and good to go. Okay, again, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.